Okay, guys, so if you are looking for a way to make money online, or maybe you've been on the fence about starting digital marketing, or maybe you're struggling getting some traction and getting your business going, guys, this is for you. This program, and I'm going to say this because I've been through very expensive courses and very expensive coaches, but this course lays out everything for you. It's a pre-built system. All you have to do is edit it. It's pre-built for you. And then you show up on social media and you make 3 videos a day. 7 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Inside, you're going to get coaching, mentorship, tips and tricks on how to build a business online in 2 hours a day. 2 hours a day. And then when you implement that and you've learned the skill and you apply it and you master it and you turn around and help others, you will start earning daily pay. So again, if you've been on the fence, guys, now is the time that you get started because this is going to change your life.